The main window is the entry point for the measurement, analysis, and reporting software. From the main window, all other units are also accessible. After the start of the application, the main window is shown. It is divided into 3 panels. On the far left, there are the Entities Manager, Measurement Browser, Reports Generator, Test Protocols Manager, Database Manager, Indirect Parameters Manager, and Settings panel. On the left side of the central field of the window, there is a table with the subjects listed for the selected project and visit. Here, you can add, delete, weigh, or add a note for a selected subject. On the right side of the central field of the window, there is a set of available test modules. When the test protocol is set as unused, then all available tests are shown. The number of saved measurements for the selected project, visit, and subject are shown here. When one of the previously created test protocols is selected, then all tests used for the selected protocol are shown. The numbers of already saved measurements are shown here. On the far right of the main window, there is an option to check for an update of the application, send feedback about the application, and various help topics. Information about hardware connections, report generation, and database information are shown here.